Hi guys, PirateFraser here, and yes, that is a new intro for this series. I hope you like the intro. Right, so I'd like to talk to you about the series. This series is about modding Minecraft. I will get to coding in a second. Now, I don't want you to copy me, but then the only way of learning is by copying me. But then I guess if you put in your own names and your own textures and stuff, it's not copying me, so it's your own mod. It's got nothing to do with me then. Also, I'd like to talk to you about what I said in the last episode. I said that today we will be doing proxies. No, today we will not be doing proxies. I lied. We will actually be getting a mod. We will actually be setting up a mod. So, what you want to do is go to your Minecraft up here in the Package Explorer. Go to SRC. Right click SRC and go New Package. Now in Java, it's convention to call it your domain name, but we don't have a domain, so yes, we can't do that. So instead we're going to do it the way most people do it on tutorials, which is your name dot your mod name, so tup mod. Now this can have no spaces, so it's good to use underscore sometimes. Dot comma. Now what these dots mean is if we go into file thing here, these dots are basically what these are. So if this was Java, these would be dots instead of backslashes. Yeah. Which is actually when your mod is exported, that is how it will be. It will be in folders like this. So then hit finish. You should create a thing down here. Now you may be able to see that the icon is not filled in. We are going to fill that in by right clicking on the package, going to New Class, and calling it our mod name, so tup mod. Now you don't want to press anything else unless I tell you to press something like down here, but this should be the only one that's ticked all the time. Otherwise do nothing. So if I say create a class, don't play around with them, just leave that abstract methods one in. So now hit finish and it will create your class. This font may be a bit small for you to read, so I may just change the font by going to Preferences, General Appearance, Colors and Fonts, double tapping Java Editor Text and going to Courier New and 12. Maybe 14. 12. Tell me how this looks in the video and I will do stuff to it depending on what you say. So what you want to do is come to the first top line, which is your package dot whatever, go to the end of the colon and press enter twice. Then what you want to do is put the @ symbol, like at the email say at, and put in mod with a capital then you want to press shift, and on Windows it's shift 9 to make brackets, unless you've character mapped it and it's different. When you do this, you'll see that Java will actually close it off as well at the same time. So you don't need to worry at the moment about putting in the end one, the end bracket. Now what you want to do is put in mod ID equals, and then you want to put a space and then shift 2 if you're on Windows, which will create speech marks. These will also automatically close. And then put the ID for your mod. So this is good to have like the name of your mod. So tut mod, tut underscore mod. Just gonna make that a capital. Then we're gonna put comma, and we're gonna put name equals, with the spaces there, put shift 2, which is the speech marks in again, and put in the name of your mod. So for this, I'm actually going to call the mod tutorial mod. Like that. Then you want to go past these speech marks there, put a comma, and put version, space equals, space. Now this looks like it should be a really complicated thing. It looks like you should know like Java full on, but it's not. You could put anything as your version number, but before you put it, you will want to put it in speech marks. So put speech marks and Java will automatically close it, and then put your version number. So yeah, this could be anything. You could put that could be your version, but for us we're gonna do version 0.1.0 just for ease. And now that line is done, except over here where you've got the red line, which is a error saying this time it's saying that you haven't imported something. So if you get your mouse and hover it over at mod, there should be a import mod. Now you want to click on that, and this should come up. Now I'm going to teach you a quicker way to doing this, so I'm going to undo that, and the red lines come back. I'm going to press Control, Shift, O, and it will import the thing again, and then that line is now definitely done. Inside tutmod, you want to press 2 down and put in public, which is like the method, Java's method thing. I'll teach you about that one day when we'll be doing the other stuff. But yeah, you don't really know why it's public right now. So yeah, public, and then the name of your mod. So tut underscore mod, and you'll want to put a space and then a curly bracket and press enter. You can see it is throwing an error here. What you want to do is put in some brackets like that, and that should get rid of the error. And we are done. So I'm just going to run Minecraft here. You can run it by the green button with a triangle inside it, like this. Press OK. Anyone who's used Forge mod loader before to load mods like Pixelmon, you will know that it takes a little bit longer than normal Minecraft. It will be the same in this, maybe even a bit more slower because it's running it off of Java straight off. Now by default, when you install Forge, you should have 3 mods, of 3 mods loaded. And when we open Minecraft up now, we should see that it says 4 mods, which means that we would have done this tutorial right. So we will see that in a second here. As you can see in the console here, this is where the information about it is running. Now, when you release a mod, you will not be able to see this stuff. So as you can see here, it says 4 mods loaded, 4 mods active. And if we go into our mods folder, it should say tutorial mod, and then the version number, then 0 child mods at the moment. And if we click on it, tutorial mod version 0.1.0, mod state available, and then this information stuff down here, which we will do an MC mod info file thing one day. But for now, this tutorial is over. Please like the video and subscribe if you want more. I'll be doing these every week, hopefully. I'm filming them in advance, but if you comment down below any problems you're having with the series, I will get back to you as soon as possible, because I know when making mods it can be hard, and you can just make a mistake if you don't watch these videos in 1080p like I upload them. So yeah, that's all I have to say to you. Next episode we will be doing proxies, I think, and yeah, we're fine and dandy now. I will see you all later.